Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get truffles for use with fish. We'll cover the essential steps to acquire these valuable items and how they can enhance your culinary creations or boost your in-game economy. Understanding both truffle acquisition and fish harvesting is key to maximizing your profits and cooking potential. To get truffles, you'll need to raise pigs on your farm. These intelligent animals will forage for truffles when they are outside. Simply let your pigs roam, and they will dig up truffles for you to collect each day. Remember, processing truffles into truffle oil can boost their selling price by a substantial amount, making them even more profitable. Catching fish is straightforward. Simply use a fishing rod at any body of water. Different fish species inhabit various locations and appear during specific seasons. Improving your fishing skill and upgrading your rod will make catching easier and more efficient. Freshly caught fish can be used in recipes, sold for profit, or consumed to restore your character's energy. Once you have both truffles and fish, you can explore various culinary options. Many recipes combine these ingredients to create high-value dishes, especially when using truffle oil. Alternatively, selling truffle oil and fish separately provides a steady income stream. Focus on efficient farming and fishing to maximize your overall profits and culinary success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.